Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we are going through the freaking aftermath of a sunroof drain clog. How did it start, you might ask? Well, it started my customer not doing their sunroof service. All of this debris was clogging the driver's side drain, the passenger side drain, and the rear ones. Now, we look here, we could see mold growth. We had to remove the entire interior of the vehicle, as we could see. Now, let's get to the passenger side, because that's where the real damage is. Now, here we are on the passenger side, and great freaking googly moogly. This is good. That's gonna make me sick. Oh, God. So we could see there's still standing water with mold growth. Oh, God. They had no idea that this existed in their vehicle. They became nose blind to it because it's progressive. Let's go a little further back, because the further we go back, there's freaking fruit flies. More standing water. Now let's go to the tailgate. The tailgate's not any better, ladies and gentlemen. We could see they just don't clean their car. And look at all that cake that's built up right there. That was all in the sunroof drain, and it caused this. So what's going on? Well, the whole interior is out of the vehicle. It's going to go to detail. They're going to attempt to do what they can do, but we're going to have to get the dry ice out, guys. All this sound deadening material needs to be removed because that mold has permeated into it. I may have not said that wrong or correctly. I don't know. But you get the idea. All that crap has to come out and new stuff has to be installed. Please, ladies and gentlemen, take care of your cars, do your sunroof service, or this could be you. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.